How are you, my lovely student? Our lesson today about experiment probability. The experiment probability depends on performing an experiment. Then we record the result and use them to calculate the value of probability of an event occurrence. تعالوا ناخد رول مهم خالص. Experiment probability equal number of trials in which the outcome occurs over total number of trials. تعالوا ناخد مع بعض exercise. هنشوف الإكزامبل ده مع بعض. The opposite table shows the result of survey of asking 60 students about how students come to school. دي result بتاعت السيرفي. الستودنت come to school on foot كانوا 10 pupils، وباي بايكل public transport كانوا 15، وباي باس كانوا 20، باي بايك 5، باي private car 10. If the number of students in the school is 600 students, how can predict about the number of students come to school by taxi؟ تعالوا نشوفوا الحل بتاعها. Number A, the experiment probability Number A, the experiment probability of choosing a student come to school on foot is bravo 10 over 6 equal 1 over 10 over 60 equal 1 over 6. Number B, the experiment probability of choosing a student come to school by public transport is bravo 15 over 60 equal 1 over 4. Number C, the experiment probability of choosing a student come to school by taxi is 20 over 60 equal 1 over 3. Bravo. The experiment probability of choosing student come to school by bike is 5 over 60 equal 1 over 12. Number E, the experiment probability of choosing student come to school by private car is 10 over 60 equal 1 over 6. هنعرف ايه هي السامبل سبيس او الاوتكمز. sample space, the set of all possible outcomes of this experiment. It's usually denoted by S. sample space ممكن اختصرها ل S. What is the sample space of choosing a regular coin؟ عارفين شكل الكوين بتكون sample space head or tail يبقى number of sample space equal 2. What is the sample space of choosing regular coin 2 consecutive times? S equal TT or TD where TH, HT, HH. Number of sample space equal 4. What is the simple space of two single diamonds? أيوة برافو. S equal 1 2 3 4 5 6. Number of S equal 6. هناخد أول experiment 1. Choosing a regular coin and observing the outcomes. There are two possible way to coin can land: heads or tails. heads ممكن اختصرها H, tails ممكن اختصرها ل T. Simple space is S equal H to T. Experiment number 2. Ruling a regular number cube numbered from 1 to 6. Outcomes or possible outcomes are 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 6. Simple space is هتكون simple space equal 1 2 3 4 5 6. Experiment 3. Having a baby and determining the gender of the newborn baby. Outcomes هتكون a boy or a girl. new baby عايزين نعرف الجندر بتاعه، هيكون يا اما boy يا اما girl. boy ممكن اختصرها في البي او girl اختصرها في G. simple space here is equal B or G. The event, it's a subset of the set of the symbol. The number of its elements represent number of times of occurrence. أو ممكن يكون any outcome you can get inside a random experiment or called event. كده خلصنا الليسون بتاعنا. باي باي.